Hello. So the plan for this channel is to have some Minecraft tutorials and stuff like that, also some tech stuff. But when it comes to Minecraft, I kind of stopped doing the videos at the moment because now I actually know when Minecraft 1.9 will be released. As you can see, it's 22nd of February today, and it will be released on the 25th. So yeah, I will wait until 1.9 is released to make more Minecraft videos. But I might do some tutorials on a Minecraft server that I have. I'm actually testing out, let's see, on my notebook here. This is sort of my test server, basically. It's running Spigot 188. And I got some plugins here as well. And I try to keep it as sort of close to vanilla as possible. I was thinking of having like world edit on it, but for some reason world edit is misbehaving. It actually changed the world, or it removed blocks in the world randomly. And when I'm working on stuff and suddenly there's a section of the world just removed. So, when I removed world edit, that random sort of deletion of the world or the blocks was stopped. So it was actually world edit doing some weird shit on the server. So I actually removed it. I might have voxel sniper instead. I don't know, we'll see later on, but I don't want that kind of powerful plugin on the server. And also you need to be an operator basically to be able to use it, and I don't want regular players to be operators because it's like God mode. You can do anything on the server if you are OP. I have group manager, so you can actually set things now. I added this today, and I set up different groups here. You can see there are a bunch of different. This is basically the default. Then I got some builder, and basically you set permissions on what they can do, what plugins they can use, and what functionality on the plugins they can use. So yeah, tree assist and the lift plugins. Here are the moderators, what they can do. And there's the thing here, you can see it's kind of small, but it inheritance. It will inherit all that the builders have, all the permissions that the builder has, plus these ones. And the same thing with the admin, it will inherit the builder and the moderator permissions plus all of this. So you can see I added the group manager. You can the admins can sort of move the users between the groups, which the moderator can't. I thought that the moderators is just some basic, kick users and stuff like that. And admins can do a little bit more. And then we have the owner group, which is me only. But it doesn't matter that I am in the owner group because I am OP. I can do anything anyway. But I am in the owner group so that people in the chat can see that I am the owner. So when I type in the chat, there's a sort of a prefix. It says owner before my username. So, and if you are in the admin group, it will say admin before your name, so that people know what you are. Yeah. So I thought I would do a little bit of a series as well on these small plugins. It's not really much. Essentials, I basically use for essentials for the economy system and also the warps. You can warp to different places, which is basically a warp is basically a TP, you know, a teleportation. So I might have some fixed teleportation places like a shop or XP farm or whatever. So because if you live a long way from the shop, you know, it takes time to go to the shop, so it's easier to sort of have a warp to it. Of course, the chat, which means that you can have different colors and you can configure the chat a little bit more. Lift is it's big. It's basically an elevator. It's a kind of a neat elevator system. So if you have a house, or my shop, for example, has several floors, and you can have an elevator between the floors. And I'll show you how that works in another video. Dynamic map, it's very neat. I will make a video about that as well. That might be the next one. It actually creates maps of the different worlds that you have. And there's a bunch of images like this. And it will stitch them together, but that's another video. And if people want to, I might actually also do sort of videos about how you set this up, the configuration files, because this dynamic map, you see it has a lot of different settings that you can configure. So yeah, so each plugin needs sort of its own kind of video. So yeah, so that's what I will do as well. Besides having the single player world, I will do these sort of plugin tutorials. So yeah, that's kind of what I wanted to tell you. This I'm just waiting for 1.9 to be released in a few days. So yeah, see you later.